I found it. This is Icebox Cave. He's going for it. Oh, I never made it this far. Oh my God. I don't know if I can go the rest of the way. You have to get up here and climb over it. I think this is the extent for me, guys. I need to see if I'm brave. Because I can almost do it.
Do you want to go forward?
Yeah, we're gonna go forward. We're still giving it a shot.
Let's go, David.
Yeah.
Oh!
Go.
Oh yeah, David, get that kid.
Be careful. Very slippery rock up here. Ah! Come here. Go down. He goes so much further. Oh my God. Is that the end of it?
There's a big spider. A cave spider. Cave spider.
Is everybody coming?
Yeah. Hey, Jack, you coming up here? Not all the way. It gets wider.
Jack, I made it.
I know. Doesn't change the fact that I have claustrophobia.
Me too, dude. And I don't have a flashlight.
Well, you got 2 flashlights coming behind you. 3 actually. Here, I'll shine some light for you.
This more because I'm terrified.
You're doing great.
I had to crawl to get up from there.
Oh, Mom was surprised by this. This is the kind of anxiety I have.
That's my anxiety.
Adrenaline, but adrenaline.
Is that the end yet?
No, it's gonna keep pushing off. It goes like 60 feet, 50, 60 feet.
You wanna go around me? You wanna wait a second?
Forward.
I need a break, I almost puked.
Oh my God.
You sure you ain't coming, Jack? All right. Who else is back? Oh, James isn't coming. No. All right.
Yeah, this widens up nice and big.
Yeah. I made it like 20 feet in last time. This is like 50. And it goes.
Take your time, dude.
I don't have a light, so I was waiting for lights.
You wanna take one?
Holy fuck.
Let's see, hold on. I'm gonna turn my light off, see what it looks like.
All right.
Yeah, it's pretty dark.
Yeah, it's pretty dark. Holy fuck.
Yeah, we're gonna go down some.
We are in on the mountain. That's where we came from.
I'm gonna have to crouch to get through here.
Ooh. Well, I'm right behind you, unless you want me to go ahead.
I don't even think there's room for us to switch.
Yeah, I can crawl underneath you. You sure? I got. You want
Yeah, I need light to lead.
Here.
No,
Oh,
no.
you need me to leave? Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, daddy long legs. Ooh, wiener. Wiener. Oh, this is so cool. I'm taking a video, by the way.
Me too.
Oh, well, you got your GoPro.
Yeah. Dude, they didn't tell me it went back this far. They were like, oh, it's just a little bit further.
All right, it starts like going down.
Yeah. How is it back down that way?
Let me turn the video off. Did y'all even notice the spiders that y'all passed up?
Hey, can you turn the light back this way for a minute? Thank you.
Just let me know if I'm going too fast for you, David.
I'm crippled. I'm not fat. I mean, I'm fat. I'm not crippled. I mean, thank you.
Watch out.
Yeah, they're all over me. Sorry. There's daddy long legs.
I know, but
Holy fuck. It keeps going.
they're way down there. Keep going.
Have y'all hit the end yet? Have y'all hit the end?
All right, watch out right here.
Does it widen up? Can I keep coming?
I'm gonna go forward a few more feet, David, and I'll turn around for you.
All right.
All right, there you go.
I see why this cave is off the map now. Holy fuck.
All right, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Once you get past this part, I'm gonna turn back around.
Okay.
You
Ooh,
can
that was a little slippery.
Yeah. All right, there you go.
Yeah.
Looks like we're pretty flat. Well, it starts to flatten out.
Wow.
Now getting out's gonna be fun too.
Oh my god.
Like this real gravity right here. Watch out for falling debris. Cover your head. Oh look, there's moisture on the walls right here.
Oh yeah. That's why it's cold in here. I can't believe how. Can y'all hear us?
You need to take a break?
No.
Okay.
I'm scared.
I'm not scared at all. Y'all made it to the end already? These are such cool formations with like how the like this water is eroding the rock to like this like little pustules almost looking. Alright, watch your feet. Alright, I got a big step up route right here. Give me 1 second, David.
Yep, you're good.
Holy shit,
You want a hand? Well, I'm here if you need me.
Oh shit.
You're good, you're good.
Good, man. Good job. Whew.
This is the end?
I mean, you could go in there, I guess.
Can't really go much further than this. This is the biggest opening in here so far.
Can I see a flashlight from
Someone, oh,
that's my one.
looks like a rock star or something.
Is it just us four?
Yeah.
Jack didn't go?
I don't know if he had a light to make it all this way.
Poor guy.
Think it goes further?
I recorded the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's where it all caves?
Yeah.
You want to get right here?
No.
I want to take a picture of the end.
You can squeeze it here. Right? It's all up to you.
It's just black that way. It's just black.
How dark is it?
There's a bunch of cans down here.
Fuckers.
You know the light. I see all sorts of cans.
Yeah.
Who's gonna lead the way out?
Might have to be you.
Or, yeah.
I don't have a light.
I can get in front of you.
That's
You gonna go slow?
Can, yeah. I got you.
Just so you're not, well.
You really can't go any farther, huh?
No, it's really like this is it. Unless you're something longer.
No.
Ashley, can you turn your light back this way?
Okay. You trying to get where I'm at?
Yeah, I wanna come down here.
Right there.
What happened?
I'm just talking to my camera. You can go no further. This is where it all caves in. The whole mountain. It's just pressed against each other.
We are inside of Old Baldy.
We are all up in this bitch.
Yeah, it stands, it's actually for a woman's Old Baldy.
Call that a hook.
Holy fuck. All right,
Y'all, I'll take a picture of y'all from down here. Alright, where you at, Nick? I can't see you.
Well, you might have to turn off your lamp, actually.
There you are. Hell yeah.
all right. Let's go slow on the way back because we got a lot of uphills and downhills.
You want to put this on? I put it just around my neck, to be honest.
You should put it on your head so everywhere you look, you're lighting up.
It don't fit there. It's a broken strap. Plus, this is actually looking down at me.
Ashley, watch where you're going. I got Zach behind me and y'all ahead of me.
I was hoping the light.
I was telling Ashley, she was pointing it back at me and was blinding me.
I was hoping it would help.
No, took away my night vision. Yeah, this one looks hard. I'm hugging the walls. Of course. Of course.
I put PMH, bro.
Did y'all feel the spot in the cave where it got real hot?
No, actually.
You got hot?
Yeah.
You probably did notice, but we're, yeah.
Yeah, call out big drops and big pickups for me because I am going blind.
I'm coming behind you.
So far, it's just really hot.
Yeah, okay. I have light. I'm just,